Oh shit. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So, I was at a no time race on Sunday and it put a little bit of fire under my ass. I had to get something done on the car this week. And I got last night I gutted one of the fenders and I got the trick chassis radiator support, or core support I think they call it on their website, on there. It's just roughed on. I gotta paint some. Actually, I gotta paint the whole thing, and I've got it just kind of in the middle of all the adjustable settings on it, and it's pretty close as far as height goes, but I had to move it way forward to meet up with the fender here. Look at this thing. That's pretty cool. I think putting the nose on is gonna stiffen that up, I hope, but I may have to run a little bit of a brace maybe eventually. So yeah, I got that's like a full side of the damn car on there now, which is pretty cool. I did have to trim the lip on the fender to clear the tire, which I was kind of surprised about. This just has a bunch of offset built into it, so I think we're good. Yeah, it looks like we're probably okay. Maybe if I turn the wheel though, it'll rub. Or I could just be too low overall in the front. It does look pretty low in the front, so, but that's minor. I can deal with that later. So right now I'm gonna get the other fender stripped out and throw it on this side, and then I want to put the nose on so I can kind of see the whole car together and see what kind of room we have in the front. And maybe I'll take the compressor housing off of the turbo and kind of pop it in there behind the grill and see where roughly the turbo is going to go. So cool, I'm going to do that. I'll set the camera up so you guys can watch me do that. I pretty much just cut the whole inner part of the fender out. And I saved like a portion that was here, the portion up here, and then the front where the radiator support, the core support bolts on was right here. So I just saved those pieces so the fender would have some attachment points, but I didn't need all this inner bracing strength stuff. And I'm gonna not reuse the chrome pieces because I don't know, I took them off the back and I think it looks sweet with no chrome on it. Just looks like a little more sleek, I think, without the chrome trim on the wheel opening. Plus, I'm saving a little bit of weight, I guess, right? Maybe like a pound for all four of them. So we're all trimmed out. I just cut this piece off, which I didn't do on the other side. Just holds the lower part of the fender in, and I guess front to back, but I don't need that, so I'm going to probably take the other fender off and just dice that off so that they're both the same. And then actually let me get this fender on first, since I got the camera all on the rig and everything. These things are still heavy. They're not light fenders. Looks like the bottom bracket is bent kind of weird. So let me grab a couple bolts for this. I'm liking all this room up here, man. The engine bay looks like it's not going to be too difficult to work in. Okay. That is plenty quiet. Now the nice thing about cutting all the bracing out is I can pretty much bend it to where the gap looks right, which is either good or bad, I guess, depending who you are. Whoops, that was good. On the wrong side of the chrome. Looks like a race car gap right there, you guys. I actually think this is maybe bent down, or I guess maybe the whole fender's a little low, or the door is high. Okay. Oh man, I've been waiting a long time to get the nose on. Better than I remember. Who knows, I have to get it. Oh boy. Oh man, I forgot, like, I don't know why, but I was having like my reservations about how the front end looks and stuff, because I was so used to seeing it without the front on it. It looked cool. But it's being on there now, it's restored my what I had envisioned for this thing, so it looks awesome. Look at all the room in this thing. Can't wait. start filling this thing with parts. Took a little break to get that red truck out of here that was in here. I had to wire the cooling fan so that they were staged 1 and 2 because they were just drawing so much when the AC kicked on. Anyway, that's all done. So I'm going to zip the compressor housing off of the Precision so we can see what it looks like in the grill. Woo, look at that thing. Alright. I'm a little cramped over here, so let me pull the car out a little bit. That's good. You guys are going to see this before I do. It's kind of hard to hold. I think I'm going to do something. I mean, it'll definitely be on this side. Oops, I wasn't pointing the camera very good. Just because of how I'm going to have to run the exhaust, but higher, lower, maybe more to the passenger side than that. I got so much freaking room in here. It's awesome. Sweet. Alright guys. Hopefully I'll see you in a week. Thanks for watching.